Hi guys, I'm Rafa. Today I'm going to teach you, if you didn't see my last video about this barrel slime here, so if you didn't check out that video, make sure you check it out. So I'm going to teach you what you can do with it with the straw. So you can either make a monster here, see, in the barrel, monster in the barrel. You put slime inside that, and take a straw, poke inside that, and I'm just going to show you my big monster. Did you see that? And next you can pour it out here. I'm going to teach you how to make a slime bubble, okay? Oh my god, come on, little baby slimes, come on. There we go. Let's move it there. So here it goes. Here it goes. There. Ta-da! It is unpokeable, look. It's unpokeable, but if you use a straw, you can poke a hole. And it goes down. And one more thing you can do with this is, with this thing. Can we work this now? Oh my god, come on.